All right, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you the top 3 ways to build a website that you could start selling stuff on today. And if you stay to the very end and you subscribe to this channel, I'm going to show you one more awesome bonus way to build a website for free today. If you're ready, let's go. All right, guys, welcome back. So like I said, I have 3 different ways to build a website for free today where you could start selling products. This is great for online personal training, great for e-com, great for, if you're starting an Instagram theme page and want to start selling like ebooks and things like that. These 3 ways I'm going to show you are completely free, and it varies from easy, medium, to a little more difficult. One disclaimer, I will absolutely not be talking about Shopify and WordPress. That is a completely different ballgame. This is geared towards the extreme beginner, the person who has like 0 web design, 0 development experience. So if you're ready, we're gonna dive in. I have the number 3 tool to use is going to be payhip.com. So Payhip, I'm already logged in. Is a cool little website. You could actually sell e-goods on it. So I have uploaded some ebooks I am selling. Obviously, I'm not pushing this hard. I've made 0 sales. But as you can see, if you go to the store side of it and actually see, you could launch your store builder. You could create, and this is all free. The free version, you could build out like it's generating my store, and you could basically build out a cool little collection and make this payhip.com/builder/public your page. So if I hit preview, you could actually see the different services on your page. Your customers will be able to pretty much click on it and go add to cart and buy now. They make it super easy to deliver ebooks. So if you're sticking with ebooks, I would definitely go with payhip.com. They also do video series. So I've had a couple of people sell a video course on Payhip as well, where they upload the actual MP4s that you could download as well. So let's get back to the main thing. And you could actually toggle between desktop and mobile, which is cool as well. I'm actually just trying to get back to... So in products, you could actually add the products to over here. So you literally create a new product, and you could sell digital, you could sell physical, and it also tackles subscriptions. So if you're selling let's say you're an online personal trainer and you're selling a monthly subscription of, $50 for a meal plan, you could add that subscription product. You could build it out, and you could have that build monthly, every 3 months, 6 months, yearly, or even custom if you want to do every weekly for a recurring payment. As far as payments go over here. So you could actually, another thing before we get into payments, you could actually add discount coupons for free. You could do affiliates for free. You could have a referral program, have mailing lists. So it's a good thing you could build a mailing list. And let's see, dashboard. I'm pretty sure it takes Stripe and it takes PayPal. So you should be good on those ends as far as how that's going. And that's into settings. You see payment details. I've connected my PayPal, I've connected my Stripe, and you could do default currency, and you could have an own custom statement description. So PayPal and Stripe for this one are awesome. So again, that was payhip.com. My next one I'm going to talk about is very similar, and it's called Gumroad.com. So Gumroad is along the same lines, pretty much spot on the same thing, just a slightly different delivery platform. So as you can see in settings, I can link payments as well. So this one only does PayPal. So that is one disadvantage that Gumroad has as opposed to going Payhip. Payhip allows that Stripe. Stripe allows major credit cards. That's more options for your customers to pay with. Gumroad strictly does PayPal, which very much limits. So if people are not on PayPal, they can't really get into that. But it's along the same lines where you have your product set, go to new product, and then I can do the same thing, But one cool feature about Gumroad, you could actually do a pre-order. I do not believe you could do the pre-order on PayHip. So if we come back to PayHip, go to products and add new products, we can't do a pre-order on a product. So we can with Gumroad. So a cool thing is if you have a service that you're hyping up and you want to build the hype and build marketing, you could have people pre-order your product. And if it's an ebook or e-delivery, you could have it sent to their inbox as soon as you're ready to do it. So you could create, let's say if you're doing a graphics package or something, you could pre-order, 5 or 6 graphic packages and then get those sent out and everything. So that's some cool stuff about Gumroad. And again, you could set up an affiliate program so you have other people push your stuff for you as well. So those are the 2 easy ones. Those are both free. Both have, I believe, unlimited products on it. So that's very good to keep in your back pocket, especially going into the next service I'm going to talk about, which is an e-com platform. This one's a little bit more robust. And before I get into that, you do have websites with this. So it basically creates your own store for you. So if you go to your profile, so basically this is what your storefront would look like. So it basically creates your own website for you. Both do this as well. PayHip does as well. So you can actually see your store and it creates like a basic pseudo store for you without having to do any of the front end work. As far as that goes. Now, the next one is called Ecwid. Ecwid is more of a low-end version of Shopify, is how I like to put it. I call it that because they have a free version which limits you to 10 products. You can basically build everything out that you need with a 10-product store. So this is really good if you're trying to get into drop shipping right off the bat without putting any front-end money. It's really good if you are just selling physical product. And again, you could connect Stripe. So payment over here, you can connect a ton of different stuff. You could even I had added manual payment options. So I had added like a Venmo and a Cash App. So people were allowed to contact me for different things. Square, you could have a pay by cash. So there's a bunch of cool things. I've used Ecwid for a couple of sites that I've built for people. I've then switched to more free versions like the PayHip, like the Gumroad, because it's a lot easier for somebody who doesn't have e-com experience or have web development experience to understand. And so again, each one of these I'm going to break down into a much more detailed video. But just to kind of see, you have different plans too with Ecwid. So like I said, there's basically free. You don't have to pay anything up front. You could set a site up. You could actually build what your website looks like. So if I go to website, I hit preview site, and I literally built this all, and this is all ready to go. Basically, your store name.company.site is the hosting platform, and this is basically like one of their free sites that you could literally put out right now. I mean, this is technically a live site. Somebody could actually go order this shirt that I created because it was funny. But that's the cool thing about Ecwid. There's so much to go over on this one. So those are my top three website building apps for extreme beginners. Now, I told you if you were going to smash that subscribe button and drop a comment on my video, I was going to show you one more free way to build a website. So let's get into that right now. And it all goes back to do with Canva. Canva is a huge, huge powerhouse when it comes to online graphics, video, you name it, it's got it. It actually has a website function right here where you could build a 5-page website within a matter of minutes and completely customize it to your liking. So I could sit there and apply all 5 pages. I could go and change text. I could go through and I could actually link things to, add a link there to different things to bring us to external websites and the whole nine. Again, this would be a really good front end, but I would still keep something like PayHip or Gumroad on the back end for the transaction, because right now Canva doesn't handle the money side of it, but it will give you an extremely professional looking website that you could literally publish in like a nice little scrolling pattern, so it's like this. You could even change it out to that nice little presentation where it's a multi-slide page through. So you have a lot of more different front end options when it comes, and you could actually have that click right over to that website as well. So that is my free pro tip app of the video. Again, I'm going to be taking the time to actually dig through all 4 of these. So anyway, thank you for watching. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.